1.5 Evaporation. We always need to heat or change pressure for changing the state of matter? Can you quote some examples from everyday life where change of state from liquid to vapor takes place without the liquid reaching the boiling point? Water, when left uncovered, slowly changes into vapor. Wet clothes dry up. What happens to water in the above two examples? We know that particles of matter are always moving and are never at rest. At a given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, there are particles with different amounts of kinetic energy. In this case of liquid, a small fraction of particles at the surface having higher kinetic energy is able to break away from the process of attraction of other particles and gets converted into vapor. This phenomenon of change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Factors affecting evaporation. Let us understand this with an activity. Do this. Take 5 ml of water in a test tube and keep it near a window or under a fan. Take 5 ml of water in an open china dish and keep it near a window or under a fan. Take 5 ml of water in an open china dish and keep it inside a cupboard or on a shelf in your class. Record the room temperature. Record the time or days taken for the evaporation process in the above cases. Repeat the above 3 steps of activity of a rainy day and record your observation. What do you infer about the effect of temperature, surface area, and wind velocity, speed on evaporation? Comment this. You must have observed that the rate of evaporation increases with an increase of surface area. We know that evaporation is a surface phenomenon. If the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation increases. For example, while putting clothes for drying up, we spread them out. An increase of temperature. With the increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. A decrease in humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water in the air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreases. An increase in wind speed. It is a common observation that clothes dry faster on a windy day with the increase in wind speed. The particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surrounding. How does evaporation cause cooling? In an open vessel, the liquid keeps on evaporating. The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during evaporation. This absorption of energy from the surrounding makes the surroundings cold. What happens when you pour some actin nail polish remover on your palm? The particles gain energy from your palm or surroundings and evaporate, causing the palms to feel cool. After a hot sunny day, people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground because the large latent heat of vaporization of water helps to cool the hot surface. Can you cite some more examples from daily life where we can feel the effect of cooling due to evaporation? Why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? During summer, we perspire more because of the mechanisms of our body which keeps us cool. We know that during evaporation, the particles at the surface of the liquid gain energy from the surroundings or body surface and change into vapor. The heat energy equal to the latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. Cotton, being a good absorber of water, helps in absorbing the sweat and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice-cold water? Let us take some ice-cold water in a tumbler. Soon we will see water droplets on the outer surface of the tumbler. The water vapor present in air on coming in contact with the cold glass of water loses energy and gets converted to liquid state, which we see as water droplets. Questions? Comment this.